Today we are going to be talking about two sounds. The sound eh and the sound ah. Again, the sound eh and the sound ah. Now let's examine the method of producing these sounds. In the sound eh, you notice that the mouth, the lips, is a lot more open than in the previous sounds we did in the E and the I. So in the sound eh, the mouth is a lot more open and the sound comes from the frontal part of the mouth. Eh, eh, eh. But in this other case, the sound ah, 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 you notice again that the mouth is open and the tongue appears to be swelling at the front part of the mouth as the sound comes from the frontal part of the mouth. Ah. So let's examine these two sounds again. Eh. Ah. Eh. Ah. Eh. Ah. Eh. Ah. Eh. Ah. Now we can take a few word examples from this. Look at this, for instance. B-R-E-A-D. Well, if you follow the letters, perhaps you will be thinking that the letter B says B. R, R, E, E, A, A, D, D. Put it all together. Bread. No. In this case, you can see here we have a silent A, and this word is bread. Bread. B, R, E, D. Bread. So we find this sound in other words like head, said, said. Just look at this. S-A-I-D, said. And you can even find it in words like this. Says. S-A-Y-S. Says. Says. He says. She says. Not says, but says. So keep working on this sound. And as we look at this other one, this is the ah. Ah. And you have it in words like apple. Apple. Have. Cats. 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 And you have it in other words like this. Man. Man. So keep watching our videos, as from time to time I present to you more sounds in English and how they are produced. If you're a second language user of English like myself, together we can champion a society of enlightened users of spoken English. Being a second language user of English doesn't mean you have a license to just mispronounce all the words in English. We can work on it. Together we can achieve this globally acceptable standard of English pronunciations. So as you continue watching, sharing, and liking the videos, do not forget to click that subscribe button. Till we meet again, cheers.